What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Hyde monster from Wednesday. Let's begin this lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, just going to work our way down towards the bottom of our circle and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top of that circle and we want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Let's add the pupils in the center of each eye. So I'm going to draw a small black dot. Let's go to the inside of the eyes and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, bend this in and then up. Line this up on the right. We'll go in and then up. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add a small fold, going up and then down. Let's place the nose in between the eyes, starting on the left, curl this up, and then back down. Now I'm going to draw two small circles on either side for the nostrils, and we'll fill those in black. Let's add those dark rings underneath the eyes, starting over on the left, we'll bend this down, and then up on the inside. And then we'll fill those areas in black. Now let's move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, start with a curve coming down and then up. And then from the ends, curve the mouth going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, going up the middle, and then back down. Now in the center, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across the lower lip. Let's add the top row of fangs, starting right in the middle, bend this out and down toward the left. Taper it back up towards the top. Let's add another tooth, coming down and then up. And then we'll do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right, going in the opposite direction. Let's add some points along the bottom, starting in the middle, go up and down towards the left and right. Make a small gap and do that two more times. Now I'm going to add some drool over on the left side, starting underneath the teeth, curve this in and back out. Go to the inside, curve in and then out. And then we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black going around the teeth. Now from here, we're going to move back up to the top and enhance the brow. From the left side, we're going to step over, curve over the eye, come around, and then just bend that in towards the side. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Go across the eye, down, and then in. Let's tuck the cheekbones underneath the brow. We're going to step out, curve out, down, and then in. And we'll curve this down along the side of the mouth, then in and then down. Now we'll continue around the corners of the mouth, coming down, around, and then in towards the chin. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add the ears on the side of the head. Start from the bottom of the brow, curve around, and then in like a half circle. We'll add a fold along the top with a curve going up and out. Now let's go back up to the top and close off the head. Starting on top of the left brow, curve the head going up, go across, and we'll bend that down. Now add those wrinkles across the forehead. Starting on the left, come down, and bend that up. Let's step up and draw a shorter curve. Now I want to place the hair on top of the head. In the center, let's step over towards the left, curve this up and in, taper that back down. Let's draw a longer curve going up and out, and bend that back in. Now let's finish off the left side. Starting down here, go out and up, pull that back in. Now I want to curve in the opposite direction, going up and out. Bend that back in. Now it's going to work our way down towards the brow. Let's go out, pull that in. Let's add one more. Coming down, then in towards the side of the brow. Now let's draw on the right side. Coming out and up, back in, bend this out, and in. Now just like we did on the left side, we're just going to bring this in towards the side of the brow. And I'm going to add some spots along the top of the head. Start with a circle, add a smaller one above, a couple on the right side. Now you want to move down and draw the side of the upper torso. From the left jaw, let's step out. Just going to curve this down, and then bend that in, go to the right side, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to add a fold in between. Let's draw the lower torso. We're going to step out, come down, and then in towards the hip on both sides. Now I move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right. Let's curve the inside of the calf. We're going to step up, come in and then down, and bend that back in towards the heel. Let's round out the heel, come around, and then up. Now from here we're going to add 3 claws on either side. Let's start from the edge of the foot, we're going to go up, bend that down towards the tip of the claw. I'm just going to curve this up and in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's layer 2 more claws on either side. Starting from the top, go up and down, and tuck that in towards the side, and do that one more time. Now from the top of the last claw, let's curve the foot, going up, and then we'll bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And then we'll go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the thigh. From the hip, let's step up, goes out, and then down towards the knee. And I'll round up the knee, and then pull that in on top of the foot, just going around the ankle. Now going back up to the top, let's draw the inside of the arm. From the top of the chest, step down, then this down, and then out towards the elbows. From the elbow, let's step in, curve the forearm, going out, and then down towards the wrist. Now let's curl in the thumb. Starting from the wrist, we bend this in, and then down toward the tip of the thumb. And just taper that back up and out towards the hand. Now we're going to add the first finger. Start from the top, bend this out, and then down. Taper that back up towards the hand. Let's add the second finger. From the top, we'll step down, out, and then down. And taper that back in. Now I'm going to add one more finger on either side. Let's start halfway down this curve, go out and down, and bring that back in towards the wrist. Let's go back to the side of the cheeks and draw on the shoulders. We're gonna start on the left. Curve this out and then bend that down. Let's go up towards the side, bend this out, and then down towards the elbow. I'm just going to bend this around and then down towards the outside of the wrist. Let's add some spots across the top of the shoulders. And then we're going to go back and separate each of the claws. Adding that curve on the ends. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Hyde monster from Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.